Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how to apply a tourist visa to travel to Samoa. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Trade Samoa, where they have a section for visas. And if you go to the entry requirements of Samoa, all nationalities going to Samoa are not required to obtain an entry permit visa for stay less than 60 days. However, all visitors must hold a passport valid for 6 months or more, have a return or onward ticket, copy of bank statement, no record of deportation from any other country, no health issues. Okay. If you want to do it for more than 60 days, you can apply at their High Commission, nearest High Commission in New Zealand, New York, Tokyo, Beijing, and Belgium. And at the same time, you can also apply it from inside once you are there. So, but having said that, you need to understand one thing, that not every country is directly connected to Samoa. So most of the time you'll go through New Zealand. So in that case, you should be authorized to transit through New Zealand. So in some cases, you may need a transit visa of New Zealand in order to travel. Now, permit extension, if you see, so they have given this permits option. So here, there it was 60, here it's 90. So yeah, so most probably 90 days the issue. 6 months. Okay, same thing they have given. For further extension, what you need to fill this form, attach a photocopy of onward ticket, funds, and details where you're gonna stay. Okay. Following are the purpose under which it can be issued, and documents what you need for. Okay, and forms too, like study, employment, research, business, invest. Okay. All right. So we'll go through this form. Sorry. Yeah, I did it correct. Yes. Fee is also given. Okay. Medical report, police report. So these things you can arrange before going there, because they have asked for police authority. Every country lived for more than 1 year in past 5 years. So that you can do it, like carry on before you go there. Now how to lodge? All part of the form, sign it, 2 documents, okay. 2 photographs, pay the fee. And here you're gonna lodge, address is also given. Now some of these are embassy address too. There you can apply before even traveling to Samoa. But yeah, here you can apply after traveling to Samoa. Okay. So principal applicant, spouse, they have given surname, first name, gender, date of birth, town, passport, country of citizenship, marital status, occupation, present address, health and character requirement. Do you plan to serve more than 1 year? Have your spouse had any chronic medical condition, a communicable disease, dependent children information, purpose of application? Yes. Extension of visitor permit, wine in Samoa, go to section 5. Okay. This can be launched only while in Samoa. Okay. So you have to provide details why you need, and what you intend to do, how long you intend to stay there, what's your address in Samoa, how much money you have. Okay. Declaration, signature, date. And then they have already given the fee, documents, and address to apply here inside Samoa once you go there. Documents you can see. So onward ticket, fee, details of accommodation, and funds. You need to show that. So with this, it can be done. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.